Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how I managed to pull off this beautiful, sleek, high bun on short/medium hair. For this hairstyle, you will need gel, a hair tie, shoelace or hairband, a brush, and or bobby pins if you have. The very first thing I did was spritz my hair with water for moisturization and to open up my hair strands, and then I followed that in with my oil to seal in the moisture. As you guys can see, I'm fluffing out my hair to elongate it to get the best result and the best definition. So right now I'm brushing my hair up and then applying my gel. Of course, I'm using my Eco, which is almost finished. I usually only apply gel to the front of my hair. I don't know why. You can apply the gel to the back of your hair. It's up to you. When brushing your hair, make sure you brush very well because you want this hairstyle to be very sleek and just perfect. Now here's the most important part for all my short/medium length girls. After you brush up, gather your hair and use the hair tie to hold your hair and then tuck it underneath. Then go back in with your gel and brush it once more for the final time. Next, take your hairband. I always use my shoelace because it works best for me. Place it on your forehead and then pull from the back, and automatically you should see your hair going into bun formation. And then tuck the shoelace underneath. And this is where the bobby pins comes in handy. If you do have bobby pins, just take some hair out the bun and bobby pin it around the shoelace so that it's not showing. I didn't have any bobby pins, so what I just did was just like tuck the hair underneath the shoelace. And finally, for my favorite part, which is making sure my edges are on fleek. I don't know you guys, but it's just like if your edges ain't done, your hair ain't done. And this look can also be a nice little no makeup look if you're going out to get lunch or something. first time doing a bun ever since I cut my hair. So yeah, I love the growth. And I'm finished. This was easy, something that you can do by yourself at home. So that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And of course, be safe and God bless. Toodles.